how do you feel? First time driving the new truck?
I'm excited.
Yes.
This is fucking nice.
So you had a Gen 1?
Yes.
So this is faster than a Gen 1 Raptor, even with a supercharger on it.
Yes.
Which is pretty crazy with the V6. I love these things. They're just ridiculously capable. It's just a great cruiser.
Absolutely amazed at how well this thing rides. Very smooth. Very, very, very smooth. This is a beast. No two ways about it. Absolutely fucking amazing. Mean looking, clean looking, and it just plants you in the seat. Start to finish, top to bottom. These guys rock it. If you're gonna get any work done, this is the place. Look at that thing. That thing is absolutely off the fucking chain.